you for the introduction and also for the invitation to this wonderful place, to this conference. And I would like to, hopefully I try to be minimally technical. This is the last talk. This is a late hour, and I'm more or less what separates between you and the drink. So I'll try to be as least technical as possible, and we'll show you some nice pictures. So basically, I would like to show you a few snapshots of a line of work that I did with this list of colleagues of mine from different places. Basically, the main motive of these works was the study of deformable three-dimensional geometry. Basically, we started with adventuring with computing deformable correspondences, and then I always dreamt about doing synthesis. So I will show you some results with shape synthesis. And the common denominator, or maybe the main take-home message that I would like to try conveying is that basically, if you can model something as opposed to learning it from the data, try modeling as much as you can. Then you will need to learn less. You will have less degrees of freedom to learn. You can use less data. And basically, it will work better. So I will show you some examples to support this statement. So I already showed this slide in the opening of the conference. So basically, I think nowadays the technology driving the 3D acquisition market has made a huge leap in reducing the size, the power, and increasing the quality of depth sensors. They are now our intimate companions. Basically, Apple is already producing smartphones with a 3D sensor. So basically, there is a deluge of 3D data, of user-generated 3D data that we find around us. And of course, we can argue, we already argued about this in the beginning of the conference, whether in the long run you really need 3D sensing or not. But I would say that 3D sensing is here to stay for many years, maybe before we find something else. And of course, an important question to ask ourselves is basically what to do with these data, how to analyze them, how to process them, what to do with these data. So we'll show you some examples of works that other people did. So this is, for example,
her name's Mandy.
A technology developed by the company PhaseShift.
6'4", good with an axe, and likes the music of Lana Del Rey. Socially sexy, and when necessary, extremely violent.
So basically, as you can see here, a 3D camera, in this case, an Intel RealSense camera,